Welcome to our exploration of the fascinating world of ancient handmade abstract wood sculptures. These timeless pieces of art not only reflect the skill and creativity of their makers, but also carry stories that span centuries. In this video, we will delve into 5 intriguing types of these wooden carvings and share tips on how you can transform your passion for this art form into a profitable venture. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Imagine wandering through a forest, the scent of pine in the air, and discovering a piece of wood that seems to speak to you. Ancient artisans, guided by instinct and inspiration, created incredible sculptures that are both abstract and mesmerizing. Each piece tells a silent story, echoing the thoughts and emotions of its creator. One such type of sculpture is the totem pole, originating from indigenous cultures. These towering figures not only served as spiritual symbols, but also as historical records, representing important cultural narratives through their intricate carvings. Transitioning from totem poles, let's consider the art of figurative abstraction. In this style, artists often take a recognizable form and distort it, pushing the boundaries of perception. This method allows for personal interpretation, enabling collectors to connect deeply with the piece. Such abstract representations often blend traditional techniques with modern aesthetics, making them highly sought after in contemporary markets. Another beautiful form is minimalist wood sculpture. This art emphasizes simplicity, allowing the natural grain and texture of the wood to shine through. These sculptures challenge viewers to appreciate the raw beauty of their materials. In today's market, minimalist designs are incredibly popular among collectors who value serenity and elegance in their homes. Moving on, we encounter geometric wood sculptures, where artists utilize patterns and shapes to create visually striking works. This style highlights balance and symmetry, often inspiring feelings of calm and order. These pieces resonate well with a modern audience looking for art that complements their contemporary environments. Lastly, let's not forget the enchanting realm of environmental wood art. Artists here strive to showcase the natural world, using reclaimed wood to create sculptures that highlight the importance of sustainability. Such pieces often capture the intricate beauty of nature while conveying a powerful message about conservation. This type of art can have a dual impact. Not only do you own a unique piece of art, but you also contribute to a larger cause. First, consider creating an online presence. Platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest are fantastic for showcasing your work. By sharing high-quality images and engaging stories, you're able to build a community of enthusiasts and potential buyers. Second, don't underestimate the power of local art shows and galleries. Participating in these exhibitions not only exposes your work to potential buyers, but also connects you with other artists and art lovers. Networking can lead to collaborative opportunities and increased visibility for your sculptures. Another effective strategy is to offer workshops or classes. Teaching others the art of wood sculpture not only generates income, but also helps you share your passion, further establishing your reputation in the art community. 5 seconds pause. Social media marketing finishes strong. Use targeted ads to reach audiences who appreciate abstract art or handmade items. By tailoring your advertising to specific demographics, you can maximize your reach and attract serious buyers. Lastly, consider the option of selling your pieces online through platforms like Etsy or your own website. This approach opens your art to a global audience, allowing you to reach collectors who may not have access to local art scenes. As we conclude our journey through the world of ancient handmade abstract wood sculptures and the avenues for monetizing your passion, remember that art is not just about the finished piece. It's about the creativity, the stories, and the connections you forge along the way. Embrace the beauty of wood carving, share your passion with the world, and watch as your artistic journey transforms into a rewarding venture. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more art-inspired content.